Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch Telegram videos in app without Terabox or any other app. First of all, you need to launch Telegram app on your phone. Next, head over to the video that you want to watch. Now if you have enabled auto download feature for media, then video is downloaded already. Simply tap and play the video. You can see it's working fine within the app. Apart from this, if you have downloaded lots of videos and instead of visiting chat window, you want to directly access the video, then tap on the search box on the top and switch to media or downloads option. Here you will find all the videos. Again, select the one you want to watch within the app. The good thing is, even someone has shared link of YouTube video with you, still you can watch the same video within the app. Simply tap on the play button on the top of video preview and you are done. Depending on your device rotation settings, you can also watch video in landscape or horizontal view as well. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. Thanks for watching.